Today I'll be sharing a new method to generate the hyper-realistic AI influencer, which cannot just keep your character consistent, but you can also keep the character's voice consistent. Just look at this video.
To show you my favorite water, My Blue. It's so refreshing and I love the design. Honestly, I never go anywhere without my Blue water. Staying hydrated is a lifesaver.
I'm also going to share you how you can extend your videos up to 1 minute. So this is going to be a masterclass on AI influencer. You don't need to watch any other video. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. So the workflow is very simple. We are going to generate the influencer from a scratch. Then we are going to generate videos for that. We are going to keep the voice consistent. And at last, we are going to extend our videos. Now to create one from scratch, we need this JSON prompt. Don't worry, you'll find this JSON prompt in the description below. And once we have it, just paste it inside of the Nano Banana tool. Make sure to select the maximum quality, which is 4K, and then you will have these kind of results. So I like both of these, where you can see the skin tones and the lighting is very natural. It looks like very amateur picture. Now to get a clear face, I'll upload this image as a reference. I'll give this prompt. Or you can also mention the unwanted things that you don't want and hit the generate. And next you will have this output in front of us. We have a very clear face and we are ready to go. Perfect. Next we need a character sheet. So again we are going to upload this image as a reference and we are going to give this prompt. Generate a character sheet from her. She would be looking very realistic, multiple face angles, multiple body angles, and this is very important. And next we'll have these kind of results. So we have multiple different angles, we have multiple expressions. So this one looks perfect to me. So once it's done, now it's time for the video section. So simply go ahead to the video section, make sure to select the Seedance 2.0. That is very important. Now for the UGC style videos, I'll upload the image for our influencer and I want this product to be shown in the video. So stay tuned. We are also going to explore some other video categories, but for now let's go with the UGC style. So this is going to be our prompt. This is a lengthy prompt. You can also take a screenshot of it. This is very simple and casual prompt, nothing special in it. And once we hit generate, here is the result.
My skin looks fresh and glowing. Oh yeah, I remember this one helped me a lot in improving my skin, this cream. I highly recommend this to everyone who has struggled with their skin.
And to be honest, this turned out really good. This is super casual, perfect UGC style video. And you can also see the details. That is also maintain the details of the text. It mentions that hyaluronic acid and we have that on the product. Now instead of UGC, you can also try something like this one.
Genommen habe, eine bessere Haut bekommen habe, weniger Heißhunger habe, weniger Kopfschmerzen und auch weniger Beschwerden, wenn ich meine Menstruation habe, ist einfach.
So this kind of a lifestyle vlog, very natural, very Instagram vibe to it. And you can also try something like this. And this was generated with a single prompt. Just ignore the aspect ratio. I selected a wrong aspect ratio, but you have to focus on the results. This is super realistic and on point. And if you are wondering what was the prompt, here is the prompt. You can use it as it is in your videos, or you can take a screenshot of it. And here's another video on the same concept.
Würdet ihr mich schätzen? Nicht nach meinem Oma-Stil, sondern nach meiner Haut und meinem Gesicht.
Again, this is super casual, very realistic, and this time we got a perfect aspect ratio. Next, you can also try a morning routine, for example like this. And if you're wondering what was the prompt, this time we use the character sheet as a reference because we have multiple angles. This is why we generated the character sheets, and this was the prompt. If you want to take a screenshot or if you want to use this in your videos, you can use it. So that's how you can generate lengthy AI influencer videos with consistent voice. So make sure to check the SGN website in the description below because right now you're going to get 40% off on the Seedance 2.0. So that's it from today. See you in the next one.